The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Canadian County in central Oklahoma, southeastern Kingfisher County in central Oklahoma, central Logan County in central Oklahoma, northern Oklahoma County in central Oklahoma, until 4:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:28 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm located near Piedmont, moving northeast at 35 miles an hour. Hazards in the warning include half-dollar-size hail, damaging winds in excess of 60 miles an hour. Locations impacted include Edmond, Guthrie, Piedmont, Cashion, Cimarron City, Cedar Valley, Meridian, Navina, and Seward. Move inside a sturdy building until the storm has passed. Severe thunderstorms can produce tornadoes with no warning. Get to a storm shelter or sturdy building. If a tornado approaches,